Today I'm showing you what's in the box of the new revised Labpano Pilot 1 EE or Enhanced Edition. It's that simple. So if you're curious, let's go. A few weeks ago, Labpano relaunched their Pilot 1 in a new refreshed EE edition, Enhanced Edition. Let's take a fresh look. Okay, so the camera comes in two boxes this time. The actual camera itself, but this time the heat management system is external to the camera in the shape of this Heatsink. We'll take a look at what's inside the main package first. Whilst I'm opening this up, let me run you through the key features of the Pilot 1 EE. Wait, this is no good. I can't actually get in. I'm gonna have to rip it open. This camera looks like an excellent package for 8K photos and video, and good value for money too. Labpano have sent me the 128GB version to test, which is available at $1,249 US. And if you're taking a serious step in this direction and or you're looking to use this commercially, then consider the 512GB version for $1,499 US, which is an excellent upgrade price if you want that extra storage capacity. These files are probably going to be quite large. We can see the four lenses, one on each side of the camera, and these help to feed images into the great Pilot Steady Stabilization system, which I've already used on the original Pilot 1 for smooth video. And it feels like a nice professional finish to the camera, which is in an aluminium enclosure. That's hard to say. Weight wise, it's not what I would call light. You wouldn't want to be waving this around on the end of a selfie stick. But at around 400 grams, it's probably okay on a static pole, or if you had it secure in a backpack and mounted pretty securely. We can see that there aren't many holes in the camera, which is a development in the enhanced edition of the Pilot 1. This means it has an IP65 water and dustproof rating. So the camera is protected from total dust ingress and also rated as protected from low pressure water jets from any direction. So it should be good in the rain, so long as it's not a super heavy downpour. You can see the super big nice touchscreen here, which looks pretty similar and was a great feature of the original Pilot 1. It really helps set you free from checking on your mobile device to review your footage. Though you can still control the camera and perform other functions through the accompanying app, which has seen a lot of development to match the release of the new Enhanced Edition. I'll be talking about that more in a future video. Now you can see the tripod mount here, but it's also for the heatsink. Let's look at that now. Now the way that heat is dissipated is a big change in this EE edition compared with the Pilot 1 original format. Instead of that built-in fan and the noise that this generated in the original Pilot 1, the Enhanced Edition now uses this external heatsink, which then makes it better set up for shooting over long periods of time without risk of overheating the camera. It fits nicely between your camera and your tripod, and here you can see what that might look like. It feels pretty sturdy and has a nice finish. We'll see how it does the job, especially on a hot day or working constantly on warmer hot days in warmer parts of the world. Alright, what else is in the box? We've got a few things in here. A little box of documentation, a charging cable and a charging block, a straight two-pronged block, which isn't much good here in New Zealand unfortunately, a cleaning cloth, and the all-important soft case to stop those lenses getting damaged or even scratched. Overall, it's a good little package with all that you need once you get inside the box. Here's my news video about the Pilot 1 EE if you want more information, and be sure to come back soon when I'll be testing the Pilot Tour virtual tour function as well as the Street View capture function of the Pilot 1 EE Edition 2. My name is Saab Johal. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and see you soon. Laters in it.